10th Mathematics, Exercise 1.2, 5th question. A company has 4 categories of employees given by Assistant A, Clerk C, Manager M and an Executive Officer E. The company provide rupees 10,000, rupees 25,000, rupees 50,000 and rupees 1 lakh as salaries to the people who work in the categories A, C, M, E respectively. If A1, A2, A3, A4 and A5 were assistants, C1, C2, C3, C4 were clerks, M1, M2 and M3 were managers and E1, E2 were executive officers, and if the relation R defined by X related to Y, where X is the salary given to the person Y, express the relation R through an ordered pair and an arrow diagram. Little big question, but the answer is smaller only. So I'll just explain the question first. So the company has employees. The category of the employees are assistants are there, clerks are there, managers and executive officers. So they will have to pay salary. The salaries are given. First is for assistants it is 10,000. For clerks it is 25,000. Managers 50,000 and executive officer it is 1 lakh. So for each person they will have to pay. And AC, that is your assistant, clerk, manager and employees are there. In that how many assistants are there is from 1 to 5. That is they have given A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. These persons are our assistants. Then C1, C2, C3, C4. So 4 clerks are there. And M1, M2, M3 and 3 managers are given. And E1, E2 are executive officers. And your condition is given, find the relation R defined as X is related to Y, where X is given as salary and Y is your persons. So in your question, just check the question properly. First the persons are given, then the salary is given. But they have asked you to find the relation for the salary and the person. So salary should come in the front, then person should go in the second. Then they have asked you to find ordered pairs and an arrow diagram. So we'll just write the ordered pair first. Hope the question is clear for you all. So ordered pair R, we'll write it. For that they have given you the condition, it is X related to Y. X is your salary and Y should be a person. So X salary, first salary is 10,000. So to whom and all 10,000 is paid, we'll have to check it. 10,000 starting with A, that is your assistants are paid 10,000. So A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. So 10,000 with A1. Then the same 10,000 with A2. Then 10,000 A3. 10,000 comma A4. 10,000 comma A5. So we have just finished assistants. Then we'll have to go to clerks. See how many clerks are there. C1, C2, C3, C4. The salary of clerk is 25,000. So we'll just start with 25,000 comma C1, clerk 1, first clerk. Then 25,000 comma C2, second clerk. 25,000 comma C3, 25,000 comma C4. Then we'll have to go to managers. See how many managers are given. They have given M1, M2, M3 managers. So 3 managers are there. So each one should get 50,000. So it is 50,000 comma M1, first manager. Then 50,000 comma M2, second manager salary. Then 50,000 comma M3, third manager. So managers are over. Then we'll have to go to executive officer, that is E. We'll just check how many executive officers are there. So E1 and E2, 2 officers are there. So we'll just write the salary, it is 1 lakh for executive officer. So 1 lakh comma E1, executive officer, first executive officer. The same 1 lakh comma E2. So we have just finished all the persons. So you can close your set bracket. This will be your R, that is your relation. So second subdivision arrow diagram you have to draw. So salaries here and here it is employees. So first salary 10,000, 25,000, 50,000, 1 lakh. So just write the salaries 10,000, 25,000, 50,000 and 1 lakh. Next is the persons, you will have to write it. So the persons are your assistant A1 to A5. So it is A1, A2, A3, A4, A5. Next is clerks. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4 clerks are there. So it is C1, C2, C3, C4. Next is managers M1, M2, M3. Then the last is executives E1, E2. So now we'll have to mark it. 10,000 salary, who and all are getting 10,000 salary, we'll have to mark them. Okay. So it is 10,000 from A1 to A5. So all these persons are getting 10,000 salary. Then 25,000 C1, C2, C3, C4. So it is 25,000 to C1, again C2, C3, C4. So all these 4 persons will be getting 25,000. Then 50,000 M1, M2, M3. That is the managers will get 50,000 salary. Then 1 lakh is executive. So it is 2 persons are there. So we'll have to mark like this. So this is an arrow diagram for your given question. So this is the answer for your 5th question.